In the maze of LED displays available today, finding the right one can seem like an uphill task. Too often, you're faced with a trade-off between quality and cost, or between customization and compatibility. But what if there was a solution that could seamlessly blend all these factors together? Enter Enbon's LED displays. With a commitment to advanced technology and superior quality, Enbon's LED displays stand a cut above the rest. Every aspect, from brightness and color saturation to contrast and response speed, is meticulously crafted to the highest standards. But Enbon doesn't stop at offering high-quality products. They understand that every customer has unique needs, and therefore offers personalization and customization services. Be it size, color, shape, or any other aspect, Enbon tailors its products to perfectly fit your requirements. Most importantly, Enbon doesn't just sell you a product and then disappear. They offer comprehensive pre-sales, sales, and after-sales service. With a professional team always at the ready, any problems or concerns you might encounter will be swiftly addressed, ensuring your interests are protected to the fullest extent. But Enbon's commitment goes beyond just its products. They are dedicated to environmental protection and sustainability. Their LED displays are not only energy efficient and environmentally friendly, but also recyclable, reducing their environmental footprint. Enbon's LED displays are not just about functionality, they are also about aesthetics. With innovative design and elegant appearance, these displays can seamlessly blend into any environment or building, enhancing the overall visual effect. Despite utilizing advanced technology and high-quality materials, Enbon's LED displays are cost-effective. This balance of quality and price competitiveness ensures you get the best bang for your buck. Enbon's LED displays also offer strong compatibility with a wide range of hardware and software systems. This means you can choose the right equipment and technology for your needs, reducing overall operating costs. Lastly, Enbon provides comprehensive technical support and training services. This ensures you understand how to use and maintain your LED display effectively. So why not give Enbon's LED displays a chance? Experience the perfect blend of quality, customization, and comprehensive service. With Enbon, you're not just buying an LED display, you're investing in a solution that will cater to your needs, protect your interests, and contribute to a more sustainable world.